Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is my bar. With me as always is Mookie. So I recently did a short and it was called Mookie versus the Hamburglar. So this episode, I'm going to show you the making of Mookie versus the Hamburglar. We're going to have interviews with all the actors involved. And make sure you stay till the end and I'll show you the actual short that I had released. First up, we're going to make a quick drink. This is called a B&B. It's just Benedictine and brandy. Basically, the key is to float the brandy on the top. So we're going to do 2 ounces of Benedictine and 2 ounces of brandy. And that, my friends, is a B&B. All right, so coming up next, we got an exclusive interview with the Hamburglar on the making of Mookie versus the Hamburglar. Hello, Mr. Hamburglar, and welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Now, I understand you've been a Hamburglar for quite some time. You must enjoy it. Being a Hamburglar, it's a pretty tough racket. There's a lot of legwork involved. Like, I got to do reconnaissance. I got to study people's burger consumption habits. And then it's just basically waiting around for them to leave their burger unattended. And to be honest, like most people buy a burger, they eat the burger. They don't leave a burger unattended. So it's a lot of wasted time just sitting around waiting for somebody to leave the burger so I can steal it. And I got a lot of overhead and expenses too. I got alimony. I just found out my ex is banging Grimace, that big dumb purple bastard. Sure, I get paid for appearances, like, hey kids, it's the Hamburglar, ooh. But it pays squat. And I hate those little bastards. What I really need is a side hustle. Like, look at Mayor McCheese. He's corrupt. He's got money coming in from everywhere. So I really need to capitalize on a second source of income other than just snatching cheeseburgers. I got a couple ideas I'm working on. Actually, I got some pretty good ideas. My first one is I'm going to send people emails. I'm a Nigerian prince. I want to give you $1 million, yada, yada. I just need you to send me like 1,000 cheeseburgers. You'd be surprised what people will fall for. Another one, I'm going to call people at their home. Say I'm with like CRA or the IRS. They owe a ton of back taxes. But fortunately for you, today only, we're accepting cheeseburgers as payment. Now, I kind of thought it through. Like, I don't want somebody to send me 1,000 cheeseburgers. So I'm going to get them to go to McDonald's, buy gift cards, and send me the gift cards so I can buy individual cheeseburgers at my leisure. Now, you did the short Mookie versus the Hamburglar that was wildly successful. How did you enjoy working with Mookie? I don't like Mookie one bit. That little bitch bit me. Well, we're going to bring Mookie out to the bar to have a drink with you, and she can tell her side of the story. You keep that goddamn dog away from me. Hello, Mookie. Now, don't let me keep you up, but thanks for doing this interview. Like, I know you're a regular on the show, and you're my number one sidekick. It was great of you to do that short. Now, just explain in your own words how it was to work with the Hamburglar. Working with the Hamburglar? I didn't even know we were filming. I just wanted to bite that fucker. Well, thanks for your thoughts, Mookie. Well, without any further ado, here is Mookie versus the Hamburglar. Here's the gig. Chappie's asked me to look after his Big Mac. Now, my sources have told me there may be a Hamburglar in the area, so I gotta be on my toes. thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe to our channel. What's that, Mookie? Oh, Mookie says, don't put mayonnaise on your hamburgers. That is a real crime. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.